legit shit. You have...
Red one right there.
Oh, that's cool. That's a nice little... Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like this, honestly. Just more amped up. And with more horsepower and shit.
Damn.
It's built for speed. So. And it's cool, dude. Like, it's like this console's more, and then like it feels more narrow. Like I would love today I would have loved to come by and just pick you up with that car, but there's some shit that's still fucked up.
Oh, that sucks.
Other than that, that's
Right.
I just spent 14 on it yesterday.
Oh, shiza.
I know, it's like fuck.
Well, with a car, you gotta fucking spend money to make it look beautiful, make it happy, and make you happy. You know what I mean?
Wait, my question was first.
What the fuck am I doing?
Yeah, with that phone.
I am vlogging. It's the part 1.5 of today's vlog that I'm gonna be uploading on YouTube tonight. Yeah, like I started this year, like in the beginning of this year, and I got 2 subscribers. Now it's like June and I got 20 subscribers. I'm like, that's cool. Every time I upload a video, like maybe an hour later, like 3 hours later, I get 4 people that see it. And like the most views in one of my videos is, I think, 40. So that's pretty cool. It makes me happy, like, to know that people are watching my videos.
My quick tip on people is get the car like often like that. Yesterday, what the dude wanted was 15. I had 14. I told him I only had 14.
Okay.
I ain't gonna go any higher than that. He's like, I'm stuck on 15. So the best part is to not get fucking attached to material things. Like, when I left, my dad asked if I was like sad on it. I told him no. You know, if he wanted the money, he would have taken it right there.
Exactly.
So when I got back to my sister's, 30 minutes, 45 minutes later, dude called me, texted me up and said we're doing it at 14. Such balls I had to go up to Palmer City again.
Oh, fuck.
But other than that, when my dad asked if I was sad, I didn't get it. You know? You just can't really be attached to material things. And a car is a car, honestly.
Yeah, and that's why, like, I'm very patient on, like, me getting a car. Like, I know I should. I really know I should get a car. Yeah, it would help me out way more than, like, getting rides and, like, just needing a little, being mobile, you know? But...
Also, 2 days ago, what did you say?
Yeah.
Went to the dentist, because I had 2 bad teeth on the side. That dentist numbed me the fuck up and savagely pulled out my fucking teeth.
Oh, God.
Put that hook straight in. And I got to see him and shit all bloody as fuck.
Oh, God, I hate that shit, man. I do not like dentists at all, like, especially when that type of shit happens.
Heck no, dude. I was strapped on when I first went to the dentist. I had like a big ass lump, and it was because one of my teeth were sick, and my mom took me, and things they had to pull some shit out because they were all sick too. But I was a kid, 5 or 4.
Yeah.
And fucking, I know they were fucked up. This was when Small Smiles was still alive there, because fucking, they would strap me down, call me a fucking pussy, a sissy, quit crying. Yeah, they strapped me down like some...
That's ridiculous.
Helpless little animal.
That is really fucked up. It's like, it's my version of like dentist. That's why I don't like going there. I wouldn't want that. I just hate people messing my teeth and talking about my teeth and shit. That's the exact right reason in my freaking vlog in the beginning of this one, like, in the beginning of the other video, you know, I didn't want you guys to see me brushing my teeth. I'm like, nobody wants to see that. Like, I don't know about you guys, but fuck.
Little tip that I took from the dentist though was scrub all your stuff with a brush and tooth floss or whatever you got for your teeth, between your teeth.
Yeah.
Take 2 to 3 cups with 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide and rinse it with your mouth. And get a certain pill. They're called like bio or oral bio something. They're like germs pills that kill the germs that are in your mouth that are fucking. That's why I have it. Like some sort of germs.
Yeah.
In my mouth that are killing my teeth. I can brush all I want, but
it's just not.
I'm just trying to send that message out there.
I need to honestly do something about like my teeth. I feel like after I got braces, like, cause I neglected my teeth so bad after I got braces, and yeah, I didn't wear my retainer. I just stopped. I guess in my mind I was like, yeah, no more. But yeah, now like the bottom of my teeth, like sometimes like they're like moving in a different direction, and I feel like I need to get some braces from like the bottom of my teeth, like right here.
Yeah, dude, I'm down to my last teeth now. Kitty fucker.
Peanut butter. What did I say, man?
You said peanut butter, bro.
Yeah, my.
I told you boo kitty fucker. Oh, good, boo kitty fucker.
That is so fucking great. We ate shit once on this road. Fucking Colfax.
The evidence is on the side.
That was a fucking crazy day.
And the fucked up part, never got no money out of it. Yeah.
Fucking people.
Like, I might as well just let it. I should have never called on that guy, you know, just took it as an accident. I was getting too greedy.
Well, us as humans are greedy, I feel, and selfish to a certain extent. Like, cause just like earlier, you were like, you can't.
Hey, don't think you get that,
Hey, no.
This ain't psychology.
You were talking about. You were talking about
evolution
materialistic.
of human mentalness. I'm not your lab rat.
It's my mind and your mind together. No, like it's good. It's good that like you shouldn't feel like stuff like none of us should feel like we need to have stuff, like need to have it. Like everything around us is just materialistic. Like if you have a child or a kid, then that is so totally different. But it is still the same, because I know for a fact.
Are you saying to leave their child then?
No.
Attached to it? That's a materialistic in some form, but it's a life form.
Just give it out and for adoption. Like I don't like this.
That's dark conversation.
I don't know. Maybe children have different perspectives on stuff like than we do, because we're just like adults, and we adult, and we have to like just pay for stuff.
But you know, they did a study of kids and stuff. Like, what is maturity? What is a sign of maturity? Is it like, here's a quick thing I learned from that study was, are we neglecting our maturity as like giving and taking care of things? Is that maturity? Or is that childish, or still some sort of kid play.
Right.
Because a kid would just keep it to himself. Is that really being immature though, or is it just yours?
Damn.
Like, what is a real sign of maturity?
That's true. My brother's fucking me up with the truth right now. It's making my mind go boggle.
Because, like, fucking... Is it really mature of me just giving myself cars and cars and cars? Or is that just me being childish and, like, you know, guys are... I'm a kid at heart. Most guys are.
Fuck you, HLI. Fucking horizontal landscape. Fucking that shit was loud.
Let's do some Grand Theft Auto and try to steal that bank. That's driving around.
That
have like pink blasters in their face. Like that time they got me in
Dude, that day was fucking crazy. Me and this man got bear mace one day, and it was just a trip, guys. Just a trip. It's fucked up. Why would humans do that? Good luck.
I was almost about to take you towards Anna's old job.
Where did she work?
To work at?
Yeah. She doesn't work there no more?
No, she's up in fucking Westminster again. But she's cool. We're actually looking for our own place.
Damn, that's fucking pretty cool, man. There's 3. And I know you don't.
Gas would be gas. Gas would be gas.
Would you want this other little coins? Would that work?
No, you can keep her. I don't want your box of porn, man.
We're safe. No, I don't. He doesn't want my box of porn. It's a good selection.
Microbreweries, bike trails, or mountain peaks faster than ever. And since you're saving 50% off those other guys' rates, you'll have more cash.
But no, my boss. Oh god, I don't even want to talk about it. But yeah, I'm gonna pause it. God, yes. Look at that ass. There's no ass to be seen. Anyway, thank you. I really do appreciate it. Like. I need to fucking call you and hang out with you more. No, like, yeah, I'm always fucking, not doing shit. You be careful. Damn, and I noticed your gauges got bigger, that's fucking...
Yeah, it's down to like a 2.
Love you, brother. Another day, another dollar. It's like 8:20. I'm about to fucking cut these fries and make these bison patties. Hopefully before 11. Because yeah, that's when the restaurant opens. Yeah, I'm trying to remember if this is part 1.5 of the vlog. I think it is. Yeah. 1.5 of this vlog. Huh, what am I doing? Holding something. You guys don't know how much times I've almost dropped this phone. Hola. Muy bien, muy bien. ¿Cuántas cajas va a necesitar? ¿4? gonna knock down 4 big ass fucking boxes of fries. That equals to 8 50-pound bags of potatoes that are behind me. It's fucking 8:27. I'll be done with by like 9:30. Let's do this. Every time I carry one of these bags, I feel like I could be carrying 50-pound children if I was in Afghanistan. That's weird to think. Today's gonna be a good day. It's 3 bags. Yep. Getting all these fries cut, baby. Well, potatoes. It's the morning. Like I said, yeah. I think, yeah, this should be the 1.5. Well, come on, dishwasher Chewy. Let's get to start cutting some fries. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. I I didn't know how long that was like that. Anyway, in case y'all were wondering who that other guy was that was giving me a ride, it's my friend Dakota, or brother. He's the same guy that I got this tattoo from, or with. It's a paw and it says brothers. But that's it for this morning vlog. Wow. That's it for this morning part 1.5 and 1. Cause yeah, that phone falling fucked up. Later.